Hi everyone, my name is Sadhna Gupta and I'm an Associate Product Manager at Sparklite.io. Sparklite is a no-code tool that can convert any spreadsheet into a running API, which you can use to build your next smart app. Today we're going to run through some steps on how to upload your Excel file, create an API, and get that integration working. So the first thing that you would do is go to our public website, sparklite.io, and click on the Get Started Free button if you would like to create an account and register with us. If you've already done so, just click on the Login button and enter your credentials to enter the dashboard. As a new user, if you haven't uploaded any Excel files, you're going to see an empty dashboard. So the first thing for us to do is click on the Create New API button. And here we're going to go ahead and upload the Excel file that we have just mapped. So the file that I'm uploading here has logic that will tell you how many calories you should gain or burn if you would like to reach a particular weight goal, and it's going to give us an amortization table for the same. So now your API has successfully been generated. Go ahead and click on the Access button and you'll notice your API on the dashboard. Click on the See API Details and we'll enter the API page. The best part about Sparklite's API is that it's dynamic, it's quick, and it can be integrated on literally any no-code platform out there. In general, you're going to need 4 main things to integrate your Sparklite API, but we'll get to that just after checking out the Integrations Hub. So scroll down to the page on the API section and you'll notice we have some great new advancements on how you can plug in your API from Sparklite into a lot of no-code apps. So for example, if I wanted to build this app on Retool, I would go ahead and click on this card and you'll notice a lot of different details pop up, everything that you need to build your app on Retool. So if you were to integrate this API on any other platform out there, what you can do is just collect all the details about your API. Number one is going to be the API method. So this is where you can get that method. The Sparklite uses a post API method, so anything else will not work. The second is going to be, and probably the most important one, your API endpoint. This URL here is your endpoint. You can go ahead and click on this button to copy it and simply paste it on your no-code app builder. The third thing is going to be an API request body. So what you can do is go to your input box and click on the JSON view tab. This is your API request body. You can expand the arrows here and understand what inputs are required in your API, and just click on this blue icon next to the request array. This will basically copy the entire request, and again, you can paste it in your app builder. The last information piece that you need is going to be your API headers. Now Sparklite is a public API, which means it does not require a secret key. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and copy the one header that we need, which is the key, and then the value, which is the application/JSON. So that's all you need to integrate with your Sparklite API. And a lot of platforms also allow importing a curl statement or a swagger statement instead of all of these 4 individual details. So you can generate them by just clicking on these 2 blocks. Now, the curl and swaggers, as well as all the other integration details, are specific to the API that you've just created. So yeah, they will be dynamically generated. Just click on the blocks and you'll notice your curl or swagger statements. Again, click on the copy button to copy it and paste in your no-code builder. If you have any other recommendations on which apps you would like to integrate with, don't hesitate to contact the Sparklite team. You can send us a message on our chat board on the bottom right here, or you can email us at support@sparklite.io, and we can definitely help you get started on that dream app of yours. Thank you so much.